Hello everyone and welcome back. It's been a while since I've posted the last time, and most of you didn't watch that video. But it's a pretty good video if you want to check it out. Oh wait, right there. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Good Life Gulch. Very good yo-yo. Let's do it. Before the video does start though, drop a like. The likes really help me out. Let's have a goal of 15 likes. 15. And also, while you're down there, hit the red subscribe button. We're almost at 250 subscribers. Yeah, let's get into the video. So, my favorite thing about this yo-yo is how smooth and quiet it is. I love Good Life yo-yos. They're like one of my favorites. But this yo-yo is just very clean and smooth. And honestly, compared to all the other yo-yos by Good Life, it's pretty cheap for its quality. For grinds, the yo-yo is really good. For regular play, it's very smooth and very quiet, which are really good specs of a yo-yo. If you're doing a very tech-filled combo like this one, it will not snag on you. No snag. For speed combos, I'm not very fast, but I can try to be. It's good. I don't really think the yo-yo type matters for slack, only if it just doesn't snap on you. The stock version of this yo-yo comes with silicone response pads. And for like horizontal stuff, because I can kind of do that now, it's wide enough. Finger spins, it has that axle dimple in the center, but you can still get a good one. Oh. Thank you everyone for watching the full length of this video, because, you know, you're special because you've done that. So Mongoose Throws, please contact me at my tyler.yoyo Instagram for me to review your string. So there's a clue for a new video for everyone. I should be posting more frequently now. That was a long gap of not posting. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you all later.